Welcome back to Silicophilic. Japanese dramas have a unique style, from emotional romance stories to mystery thrillers and everyday life dramas. J-dramas have built a huge audience worldwide. But finding them online can be confusing. You search for a show and suddenly you see websites promising free unlimited streaming, but many of them are filled with fake buttons, endless pop-ups and unsafe links. So in this video, I will show you the best platforms where you can watch Japanese dramas legally, including some options that offer free streaming with ads. Let's get started. iQIYI, Asian drama library with free options. First on the list is iQIYI. Many people know iQIYI for Chinese dramas, but the platform also offers a wide range of Asian entertainment, including Japanese content, movies, and series depending on your region. The platform has a mix of free and premium content. Some shows are available with ads, while newer or exclusive titles may require VIP access. To watch, open the iQIYI website or install the app. Create a free account if required, use the search bar and look for Japanese dramas or Asian dramas, select a title, choose the available episode and start watching. One advantage of iQIYI is that it actually provides subtitles in multiple languages, making it easier for international viewers. WeTV, free Asian drama streaming. Another platform worth checking is WeTV. WeTV is a legal streaming service that focuses heavily on Asian entertainment. While it is best known for Chinese and Thai dramas, the platform also features Japanese content in some regions. To watch, open the WeTV app or website, browse the drama section, search for Japanese shows, choose a title and start streaming. The free version is supported by ads, while VIP membership unlocks additional benefits like HD quality and early access episodes. Mango TV, Asian entertainment platform. Mango TV is another official platform where you can explore Asian entertainment. It is mainly famous for Chinese dramas, reality shows and variety programs, but depending on your region, you may find Japanese related content as well. To use Mango TV, open the Mango TV website or app, browse available categories, search for Japanese or Asian dramas, select a show and start watching. Some content is free while some requires a subscription. Rakuten Viki, great subtitle support. Rakuten Viki is one of the most popular choices for international drama fans. It is well known for Korean dramas, but it also has Japanese dramas and movies. The biggest advantage is subtitles. Many shows have subtitles created in multiple languages, making it easier for viewers worldwide. To watch, open Viki, create a free account, search for Japanese dramas, select a free title, start watching. Some content is ad supported, while premium titles require a subscription. Plex, free movies and shows. Plex is another legal option. Besides helping users organize their own media, Plex also provides a free ad-supported streaming library. You can find movies, TV shows, documentaries. To watch, open Plex, go to free movies and TV, search Japanese content, select a title, click the play button. Plex works on computers, phones, smart TVs and streaming devices. Tubi, free Asian movies and shows. Finally, Tubi. Tubi is a free ad-supported streaming platform. Although it is not only focused on Japanese dramas, it has Asian movies and shows available depending on your location. To watch, open Tubi, search Japanese or Asian content, pick a title, start streaming. No monthly subscription is required. If you're having trouble streaming Tubi, open the Opera browser. Opera has a built-in free VPN feature that can help bypass regional restrictions or connectivity issues. Just enable the VPN in Opera settings, select a virtual location and then try loading the site again. YouTube, official Japanese channels. YouTube is still one of the easiest places to find legal Japanese content. Many official broadcasters and production companies upload drama episodes, classic shows, clips, variety programs. To find them, search the drama name. Look for official channels, check whether the episodes are uploaded by the broadcaster or rights holder. This way, you can enjoy content safely. Finding Japanese dramas online doesn't mean you have to depend on risky websites. These platforms provide safer ways to enjoy Asian entertainment. The available shows depend on your country because streaming rights are different everywhere. So before searching random websites, check these legal platforms first. You might already find your next favorite Japanese drama waiting there. Thanks for watching Silicophilic and I will catch you in the next video.